In this video, we will look at how to create pictograms using the built-in Pictogram Chart in Canva. For our first example, let's start with something very simple. Suppose that a hardware store conducts a survey and finds out that 2 out of 3 of their customers work full-time. Let's create a pictogram to show this. From the left-hand panel, click on Elements. Navigate to the section called Charts. Under Infographic Charts, select the pictogram. The default pictogram has 10 images, 6 in one color and 4 in the other. If we look on the left-hand panel, we see that the very first image is being used. The total items are 10, and 6 are filled or highlighted. If we want to show that 2 out of 3 customers work full-time, change the total items to 3, and the number of fill items, the number that we want to emphasize, to 2. The spacing between the images can also be adjusted, and the colors can be changed from the toolbar. I usually change the text to match the colors in the chart. For our second example, suppose the survey also found that 40% of their customers enjoy do-it-yourself projects. Click on the infographic chart to add it to the design. We now want to show 40%, which is 4 out of 10. Leave the total items as 10 and change the fill items to 4. We can also change the image or the icon. Again, change the colors. The pictogram chart can show up to 100 icons. To show 62%, change the total items to 100 and the fill items to 62. The spacing automatically adjusts the vertical and horizontal spaces between the icons, keeping them even. Using a built-in chart for a pictogram does have some limitations. You are limited to using the icons that appear on the left-hand panel, and there's no way to show half of an icon. So for example, if you wanted to show a customer approval rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, there's not a way to do that. A way around this is to create a pictogram manually so that you can use your own icons. I have a separate video that shows how to do this in Canva, and I'll put a link to it in the description. Pictogram Chart in Canva is easy to use, and it is a good way to add variety to our report. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoy learning about infographics and other types of data visualizations, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.